Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 3. In that first thing what are you going to see? We are going to see the properties of addition of integers. So we'll see some of the properties, that is the commutative property. In this one, if it is a plus b, that is going to be b plus a. So suppose a is 3 and b is 2. So this is going to be 5. So again here b is 2 and this is also going to be 5. So this is the commutative property. Associative property a plus b plus c. So this is 2 plus 3 plus 4. So this will be 2 plus 3 plus 4 means 2 plus 7. That is going to be 9. And this a is 2. Same here b is 3 and c is 4. So here will be 5 plus 4. That is also going to be 9. Then the additive property a plus 0. Anything if you take 5 plus 0. So that is going to be 5. So that will be same as 0 plus a. So that will be 5 plus 0 is nothing but 0 plus 5. Both is going to be 5. So this is the additive identity. So now let us see the exercise 1.2 over here. Fill in the blanks and write the name of the property used in each case. Now this is minus 16 plus minus 5. So if this same thing is given as minus 5 plus, so this is given at just here. So this should be plus will be minus 16. So LHS is going to be the RHS. So this is commutative property of addition. So this will be a plus b is equal to b plus a. Now this will be minus 561 plus dash is going to be minus 561 means here should be 0. So when this is the same as this one, this will be additive identity. Now here minus 3 and this bracket minus 4 plus 7. So this is going to be minus 3 as it is. This will be minus 4. So remaining is minus 7. So this is the a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c, which is the associative property of addition. So the next one, that is minus 18 plus minus 4. So here will be minus 18 plus minus is going to be minus 4. So minus 18 minus 4, so which is going to be minus 22, which is the closure property of subtraction. Now it's given here, if a is equal to minus 12, b is equal to 4, c is equal to minus 25, and you have to find whether a plus b is equal to b plus a. So if the values are given, so in place of this one, you will put minus 12, 4, here is again 4, and this is going to be minus 12. So minus 12 plus 4 is going to be minus 8, and this also is going to be minus 8. So that means a plus b is equal to, because both is minus 8, so we can say a plus b is equal to b plus a. A plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. So you just put the values which are given. These are the values which are already given over here. So now we will solve this one, minus 12. And this is going to be minus 25 plus 4, that is going to be minus 21. And this will be minus 8 minus 25. So this is going to be minus 33 is equal to minus 33. So we can say a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Now here b and c are closed under subtraction. For this one, what we have to know that if a and this one b and c, these are the integers, then b and c is also an integer. So we can say b and c are closed under subtraction. Now here a minus b is equal to b minus a. So you just put the values minus 12, a is given as minus 12, b is given as 4. This is the minus and as it is. So this is 4 given, and here this is minus and minus 12, that is going to be plus 12. So now you can see minus 12 minus 4 is going to be minus 16. You are going to add this one, but the sign remains the same. And this is going to be 16. So we can say therefore a minus b is not equal to b minus a. Here, frame 6 questions based on either subtraction or addition or subtraction of integers with the answer as, that is the minus 50. So here your answers can vary. You have to see the two integers where you get minus 50. So you can just have a look at it. You can just change the numbers because here is minus 200 plus 150 is going to be your final. You should get minus 50. So you can get here all the answers can vary. You can put any number where you get the final answer as minus 50. So but one should be subtraction, the other should be addition. You can do anyways. Here is this is addition, subtraction. So and the final answer should be minus 50. Find a pair of integers whose sum is minus 9. So now you know this will be when you add this one. So plus minus is going to be minus. So minus 4 minus 5, that is going to be minus 9. So just we have to show the pair. So we are going to put here comma. So with the two integers are minus 4 and minus 5. Difference is minus 16. So now here you have to be careful. Suppose I take here one number is minus 10 and difference means I'm going to put here minus. So here if I write here 6. So this should be this, whatever I wrote negative is to show the difference. So the integers we have to write just the integers. So that is going to be minus 10 and 6. So put a comma because we have to show the pairs. Sum is minus 100. So minus 50. Sum means plus 50. So that is going to be minus 100. So these are the two pairs. Sum is 0. So minus 20 plus 20, that is going to be 0. Now again here the difference is minus 80. So suppose I take a minus 100 minus of minus 20. So that is going to be minus 100. Minus minus becomes plus 20. So that is going to be minus 80. So here this is for this difference to show the difference and this is going to be minus 20. So you have to be careful. Here should be minus 20. Now evaluate minus 17 plus minus minus becomes plus 15 minus 17 plus 15, that is going to be minus 2. This is going to be minus. So minus 28 plus 15, that is going to be minus 13. And this will be minus, this is going to be minus 41 because whenever we're adding means this should be added but the sign remains the same. Minus 21, this is going to be plus 3. This will be plus 35, this 20. So this is going to be 55 minus 75 plus 55, which is going to be minus 20. And this is going to be plus 44. So 43 minus this will be minus 27. And this will be plus 44. So this is going to be 17. So this will be plus. So this here will be 3. 16. 16 minus 14 is going to be 2. So this is going to be plus 12. So if you take these two numbers, you get 2. 2 plus 12 is 14. 14 plus 14 minus 25, which is going to be minus 11. Find a pair of negative integers whose difference is minus 48. So again here they said whose difference is minus 48. So we have to find a pair of negative integers. So both should be negative, but then we have to see minus 60 here, minus of minus because we want the difference of it. So this is going to be minus 60. Here again your answers can vary. So this is going to be minus 48. Find a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 10. So this is a negative integer and this is a positive integer. So you have to see that whose sum comes to be minus 10. So minus 12 plus 2 is going to be minus 10 because this is sum. Find a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 9. One negative and the other should be positive. Negative and the positive. And whose difference is minus 9. So whose difference is minus 9. So be careful with this one. So minus 5 minus 4 is equal to minus 9. So when you're writing the integers, you don't have to write this minus because this is to show the difference. So minus 5 and 4. So you have to be careful with this one. The sum of two integers is minus 156 if one of the integers is minus 283 and you have to find the other integer. So here let the other integer be x. So here one integer is given as 283 minus 283 plus x is, when this is given as is 156 means the result is 156. So when you solve this one, this is on the same side, this goes here means it is going to be plus 283. So plus 283 minus 156. So you get the answer as 127. The difference of two integers is minus 63. One of the integers is 105. You have to find the other integers. Here, see, be careful. Here we didn't do, when the sum is there, you just, the possibility is only of one answer. But when the difference is there, see here, the other integer we don't know, that we are going to consider as x. So they said if one of the integers is 100. So in the start, we'll write 105 minus x. After solving this I took as it is, minus x is equal to this as it is. If this goes on the other side, that is going to be minus 105. Minus x will be, when you add this one, because both minus means you are going to add but keep the negative sign. So now you can see both the places negative. So that gets cancelled out. So that is going to be 168. Or the other, what you will do here, this was 105 minus x. Why? Because the difference is given here. So we can also write this on as x minus 105. The result is going to be the same. So here x will be as it is, this as it is, this goes on the other side, that is going to be plus 105. So 105 minus 63, so that is going to be 42. So the other integer is either it will be 168 or 42. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.